Infinix 030 price in Pakistan and specs. Infinix 030 is an available smartphone. Build. OS. Android 13 OS. UI. XOS 13. Dimensions. 164.5 by 75 by 7.9 mm weight. 182G SIM. Dual SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Colors. Sunset gold, misty green, pearly white. Processor. CPU. Octa-core, 2 by 2.2 GHz Cortex A76 plus 6 by 2.0 GHz Cortex A55. Chipset. MediaTek MT8781 Helio G99, 6 nm. GPU. Mali G57 MC2. Display. Technology. 3D curved AMOLED touchscreen, 1B colors, multi-touch. Size. 6.78 inches. Resolution. 1080 by 2400 pixels, 388 ppi. Protection. Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Extra features. 120 Hz, 950 nits, peak. Memory. Built-in. 256 GB built-in, 8 GB RAM, UFS 2.2. Card. Unspecified. Camera. Main. Triple camera, 108 MP, f/1.7, wide, January 1, 67-inch, PDAF plus 2 MP, f/2.4 plus 2 MP, f/2.4, quad LED flash. Features. HDR, panorama, video, 1440p at 30 fps, 1080p at 30/60